How to stop background thread in Python. Here is the code snippet for illustration purpose. C1.infinite_loop method is running as background thread. I want to make sure if somebody presses Ctrl+C then terminate the program gracefully. What method do I need to override and where to handle Ctrl+C signal? I am thinking to set a flag when Ctrl+C is generated and periodically check inside C1.infinite_loop. If flag is true then come out of the loop. Is this right approach or do you suggest something else? One more question. List is shared between two threads here. C2 is reading and C1 is writing. Do I still need to use lock in such a case?
This uses flags and signals to terminate the infinite loop.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.